Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is group of 10. Make a group of 10. Here are scattered crayons. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 crayons. This is a group of 10 crayons. Come to the next box. Here are scattered tomatoes. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tomatoes. This is a group of 10 tomatoes. Come to the next box. Here are scattered wheat. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 weeds. This is a group of 10. Come to the next box. Here are some scattered flowers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 flowers. This is a bundle of 10 flowers. So we can say this is a group of 10. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.